These are the Pokeball style coasters I designed in Fusion 360 and cut on my Shapeoko Pro CNC. Recently, Fusion 360 added a new arrange function, which is a game changer for the preparation of CNC cut. I will use this Pokeball coaster as an example to show you how this new arrange function works. In my design, this coaster is assembled with 4 different components in 3 wood species. To use the arrange function, first we need to enter the manufacturing workspace. Then choose Setup, Create Manufacturing Model. Manufacturing model is basically a clone of the design model dedicated for the manufacturing workspace, and we can use the manufacturing model to tailor the model for manufacturing without impacting our original design. After we choose Edit Manufacturing Model, we can make changes to this model. First of all, I would like to get 3 same coasters by using copy-paste. In this way, I can use CNC to make 3 coasters in a batch. Then I will create a sketch, just a rectangular, large enough to hold these components. Then click Modify, Arrange. I choose the 3 walnut coaster base components here. Then choose the rectangular sketch I just created. Fusion will automatically calculate the arrangement of these components within the sketch scope. Here we have 2 parameters can be adjusted. Border spacing is the spacing between any component and the border of the sketch. Item separation is the spacing between any 2 components. Border spacing is not critical for CNC job. I usually set item separation to 5/16 if I will use 1/4 inch end mill. Then I will create another 2 sketches for the cherry components and the maple components, respectively, and arrange the 3 cherry components and the 6 maple components into these 2 sketches. After we arrange the components, we can adjust the arrangement by changing the size of the sketch. Now let's finish the edit of the manufacturing model. Then we can create 3 setups for the 3 arrangements. Just click the models we want to include into the setup. Then in each setup, we can create 2 paths to cut shape in CNC. I will not go through that part in this video. Okay, that's how arrange function works. Really amazing, right? Now let's start to build these coasters. First, I used miter saw and table saw to cut walnut, cherry, and maple to the required length and width. Then I used bandsaw to resaw the pieces, as we only need about 1/4 inch thickness for making coasters. To hold on the stock, I just used blue tape with CA glue. For the CNC toolpath, I first used 1/4 inch downcut bit to surface the pieces and remove bandsaw marks. Then cut most of the shape also with this bit. Then I used 90° V bit to chamfer the top edges. For the walnut pieces, I also used 1/8 inch flat end mill to contour the finished path for the inlay edges, as the corners cut by 1/4 inch bit are too rounded. After the CNC process, I just light sanded the pieces, mainly the bottom edges. After dry fit, I glue them together with Tibond 3. Then I sanded the top and bottom surface to 150 grit and clean up with mineral spirits. After mineral spirits dried in about 4 to 5 hours, I applied 2 coats of Rubio Monocoat. That's how I made these Pokeball style coasters. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe.